Oh, hi there, and welcome to day 7 of the challenge, the walking challenge. And just to kind of do a recap now, because we've it's not always easy doing challenges. We have a few technical problems, and you've got to just push yourself to do different things. But I encourage you to either get your own challenge or get on somebody else's. It's well worthwhile, and the reason I'm doing 30 days is because after 7 you can say, oh, well, that was good fun, and then forget about it. But 30 days pretty well gives you a habit for life. So that's the reason for the 30 days. We've looked at building relationships, networking as other people call it. But the first thing you need to do is build relationships, build your Twitter account, and then you can move on to the monetization process. We'll talk about that a bit more length next week. Have a great weekend. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this little series, please share it. I'll be really interested to hear your comments. And again, thanks a lot. Ed Kirwan saying ciao now. Have a good weekend.